Here I have HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning let me show you the really useful thing, so let me show you the trust space. Let's start by tapping settings. Here let's select the security, and from the following view let's choose here the trust space. So here you can read a few information about this trust space. So this trust space keeps your mobile payment secure by monitoring your Wi-Fi connection, preventing other apps from accessing your text message with verification codes and other stuff. Let me tap get started. Before you use the trust space, you need to secure your device by the screen lock protection. You can use PIN, pattern or password. Let me use pattern for example. You have to do it twice just to confirm it. Tap done. You can also enable to update your app list. Let me tap cancel in my case. So this is the trust space. It will automatically check for security threats, and it's also really useful and important here to protect the following apps, to use them with the trust space. So that's it. Let me go for the next trick. Let me show you really simple but really useful one. Let me show you the screen recorder. So if you would like to record your screen, you need to use upper bar twice and tap screen recorder. Let me tap allow screen to record and to have access on your photos, media, etc. Tap OK, and that's it. Now the device is recording your actions with the microphone. You can stop it right here, and if you would like to check your records, you need to tap gallery, select the videos, and as you can see here you've got your recordings. Alright, let's go back. Let me show you the next trick. So let me show you really useful app, Optimizer. Let's tap Optimizer right here, and here you can do one really magic thing. You can optimize your device just by using one button. Here you can tap optimize and the phone is doing everything automatically. The phone is checking the security, cleaning some junk files and other stuff. Here you can fix some more things if you would like to, or you can just tap done. And here you can also, for example, perform the virus scan right here, so you can make sure that you've got no viruses, malware or other stuff. Alright, that's it. Let's go next. Let me show you the simple mode. So all you have to do right now is choose settings. Here let's select the system and updates, select simple mode, and you can enjoy the simplified home screen by tapping enable. And as you can see here, we've got large icons, so it could be easier to use this kind of the layout. And if you would like to go back to the previous one, let's choose settings and select here exit. That's it. Alright, so let me show you the next trick. Let me show you the digital balance. Let's choose here settings, scroll down, select digital balance, let's tap start. Let me select me, tap OK, and that's it. So here you can read really useful statistics about your digital balance. You can read the screen time. Here you've got more statistics, for example from last 7 days. You can also go back, and here you can use some screen time. You can enable some app limits, or you can use the away time, so we can schedule time away from your device. It could be really useful thing to do sometimes. And basically that's it. Let's go back. Let me show you the next trick, really easy but really useful one. So the dark mode. Let's use the following panel. Here let's find the dark mode. Sometimes you can find it right here, or you can find it on your settings. Let me find dark mode right here, and from display and brightness you can enable the dark mode. And as you can see, this is really cool stuff to use your device with the dark mode right here. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.